right, guys, I'm here at Techweek. I'm visiting the exhibitor Flock with Allister here. Allister, tell me a little bit about Flock.
Sure, yeah, it's a team communication app, something that you use within your team to communicate or collaborate internally, share files, work on those files together, video conferencing as well, up to 8 people at the same time. You also integrate with other apps, so Flock almost acts like a hub. Like if you have a GitHub account, you can see notifications from GitHub into Flock. If you have a Google Drive account where you store all your files, you literally... Yeah, not just share, but you'll also be able to see on a right-hand sidebar all your files and folders from Google Drive within Flock. So you don't even have to, open separate windows for all these other applications.
So do you integrate with like Dropbox and Box and those things as well?
Absolutely, yeah. We can build integrations with Dropbox and Box as well because we have a really extensive API. One of the big questions that I'm probably sure you're going to ask me as well is how you're all different from Slack, right?
Yeah, no, absolutely. That's like the most. When you say it's a messaging app, tell me how is it different?
And that ties in with your first question. You're asking, the user experience that I was talking about.
Sure.
When it comes to Slack, the integrations with other apps are relegated to just bots. Okay. So if you have an integration, say for instance with Google Drive, right? Every time someone creates a file in Google Drive or a folder in Google Drive, it's pushed forth as a notification to a channel within Slack.
Got it.
Now in our case, you can do that, but you can also do this. You got a Google Drive integration over here, so I can see each and every file from my Google Drive over here, so I don't even have to go to drive.google.com and open it.
Just throw it into the communication panel?
You can't drag and drop as yet, but again, because of our extensive API, we might be able to expose a feature or like a method which will allow you to do that eventually.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Now, in the case of Slack, you'll not see all these over here.
Really, right. Because if somebody creates a payment in Stripe, I'll throw a message in that channel like, oh, somebody just upgraded, downgraded, refunded.
Correct.
So I'm in the know of what's happening, or any other applications for that matter.
Correct. You can do that on Slack.
I got an
you can
error
do that
in production. I got an error in staging. Boom! I'm notified, so I can go dig deeper.
Absolutely. Like in Stripe, a Stripe integration with Slack will do exactly what you said. We'll do the same on Flock as well.
Got it.
But in our case, you'll be able to see your transactions in real time on a right-hand sidebar happening.
Got it.
As well.
So it's very different in the way it looks and also the way it behaves.
Correct.
So where do you think all of these messaging apps? Obviously, there's HipChat, there's Slack, there's you, and there's probably several other ones. Where's this whole world? Where's it headed?
Well, I think when it comes to the main problem that all these apps are trying to solve is sort of team communication itself, make people more productive and efficient at work. I mean, we have had email for like years and years, decades now, right?
I hate email.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm flooded with them. I delete everything.
Correct. There you go. So the main problem that I think most of these companies, including ourselves, are trying to solve is to reduce your email, so that you're not going back and forth with tiny messages every time or a huge chain. Instead, you have like real-time communication over here. And then with machine learning and AI as well, it gets a lot more simplified and a lot more easier for users as well, because they can sort of pick and choose, or the machine can pick and choose which messages they should be reading, as opposed to them just going through an entire inbox.
I see. Yeah, absolutely. So how do you guys charge for this?
So it's completely free to use all the features and functionalities, including unlimited integrations, like I showed you the one with Google Drive as well. Our competitors actually they charge you for integrations beyond a certain integration point as such. We charge you $3 per user per month if you want to search through your message and data history beyond a certain file limit.
Got it. No, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Thank you, man.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.